Alright, so what you're going to do first is you're going to remove the black cover that's going to be right here. Okay? Just use your ratchet. It should be a 10 millimeter. Okay, there should be 2 bolts, I believe. So you're going to remove that thing, just put it over there, it doesn't matter, whatever. Okay, then you're going to put on your 12, if you can see it. There you go, 12 millimeter. Okay, hook it up. First thing you want to do is loosen the bolt right here for the alternator. Okay, it's going to be on there tight. Okay, make sure that you're going to go clockwise with this. Might need a little bit of force, so get one of your guy friends to help you. Okay, just loosen that up a bit. Next thing you want to do is this bolt right down here. Again, it's a 12, you don't have to change anything. Remember, lefty-loosey, it's going to be clockwise. Shouldn't be as hard to do. Okay, just loosen that up a bit. Finally, we're going to loosen up this. We don't have to change anything. Again, do this. As we take this out, the belt is going to get loosened. So just go around for a while. And as you do this, as you see, everything becomes much looser. You might have to push the alternator a little bit, but once the belt is kind of loose, you should be able to pry it off. And if it doesn't go off right away, again, you can see I'm just kind of pushing it in one direction. And get one of your guy friends to help you, but it should.
So you have to loosen it more.
Pop off there. If it doesn't go right away, try and loosen it a bit more. It's a really long bolt in there, so don't worry about it. You can see the bottom of it anyway. You look down here, it's the bottom of this whole thing was in there, so don't be afraid to do that. Loosen it some more. Okay, this is off. Being that it's on the outside pulley, okay, which is right here, all we have to do is this. Get your new one, same thing happens, put it back in. Line it up on the pulley, so make sure it's on the ribs there. Okay, just like that. Now we're gonna line it up on the power steering. Okay, and then finally go and put it over your alternator. Again, you might have to wiggle the alternator a little bit, but it should fit on there. It'll be real loose. Take this again, we're going to flip it. We put this on. Now we're going to turn counterclockwise. And when you're doing this, you're just going to go back to about where it was originally.
You can see the marks on there.
Yeah, you'll be able to see the marks kind of where they're fresh versus where the bolt is kind of rusty, where it's been out in the open. Keep going, keep going, keep going. As you do this, you'll see the alternator start to rise. Okay. We'll have to go a little bit more.
It's really tight before.
Okay, and then feel it. As you see my thumb here, it's not pushing down very much, maybe a quarter of an inch or so. That should be more than enough, okay, as long as it's not real loose. Okay, it's not going to be rock hard either, but it should move just like that. So now we're going to tighten this one up. And then once it gets hard to do, you just want to snug it up. And then finally, we come back to the actual alternator itself. Again, it gets hard to do, and then just snug it up. And that's it. You are now a Subaru guru. Good luck, Kels.